Our award-winning ribs, you can get them in a full slab or a half slab, and they're smoked in-house for approximately 4 to 6 hours and served with our award-winning sauce, as well as your choice of 2 sides. Our Big Attitude beef brisket you can get in a sandwich or a dinner, and it's served with our certified Angus beef brisket that we smoke in-house 12 to 14 hours. And our brisket is chopped to order, and it is also served with 2 sides of your choice. Our pulled chicken is smoked in-house for hours, then it's served with your choice of 2 sides. Our smoked half chickens are smoked in-house daily. We use our special house seasoning to season our chickens and serve with your choice of 2 sides. Grand Champion pulled pork is smoked fresh daily, then hand pulled to order. It's our specialty, and it's served on a sandwich or a dinner with your choice of 2 sides.